profitable KDP coloring book niches. So if we type coloring book on the search bar on Amazon, you can see there is 80,000 results. So this is a lot of competition, especially for beginners. I know that the ranking is incredible, but on the other hand, there is a lot of competition. So what can we do? Just type on the search bar, and then you must add this tool, which is AMZ Suggestion Expander, and it will suggest for you many keywords before in the red, or keywords after, or even others. So these keywords that people are searching about. So for example, keywords before, the first one is Uzumaki. Even I don't know what this is mean, but if we type it, you can see that's only 232 results, which is a very good. So there is no much competition in this niche, and as you can see, the ranking is 6,000, 192,000, 4,000, 42,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4 books that have ranking less than 300,000. That means that this niche is absolutely incredible and very good. So 232 results and 3 books that have ranking less than 300,000. And if we see the inside, this one doesn't have, for example, but let's see this one, for example, and we look inside, you can see what this coloring book is about, something about horror. So you can invest your time and create this by yourself, or you can invest your money, so you outsource it for someone else, because it's worth it, because only 232 results and people are buying it. How did we know that? Because of the ranking. Look at this one, 818, 743. This is absolutely crazy. 818. Let me show you how much is this means. 818. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. 818, and its book, calculate, 2,500 sales every single month, and it's about maybe $2 profit. So he's making probably $5,000 every single month. So this is like a normal salary, $5,000. So this is incredible and crazy. And yeah, if we type again, so for example, this one, I don't know what is this, but look at only 78 results. But is the ranking good? 6,000, very good. 49, very nice. 3,000, 85,000. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I don't know what this niche means. Is this anime or what? I don't know, but the niche is absolutely crazy. 78, only 78, guys. This is crazy. And if we go back again for this one, coloring book, for example, the second one is, so this one, the first one is absolutely good niche. So the second one, jumbo coloring book, let's see, 2,000, kind of competition. So let's type again to see a mini niche from this one. So for example, third large jumbo coloring book, oh, 20,000, still very high, very much competition. So this niche, I think it's not very good. Or let's see, frozen, yeah, kind of competition. So let's see another one, for example, Kawaii, 2,000, still much competition. Let's dig in more. Cute Kawaii, still. Let's see, horror Kawaii coloring book, 3,000, still very high. Super Kawaii coloring book, still. So this niche, I can see there is much competition, so let's go to another one. For example, stoner coloring book, 2000 results. Okay, a mini niche, Disney stoner coloring book, yeah, 481 results. And what's about the ranking? Is the ranking good or no? Because maybe there is low competition, but there is no one buying this kind of books. But if we see the ranking, 5,000, 4,000, 13,000, 13, this is absolutely very good. This is very good. 23, 53, 38. So yeah, who said that it's very hard to find a niche that has less than 1,000 results and has more than 3 books that have ranking less than 300,000? Who said that? Look, bro. Look, I found maybe 3 niches now on 10 minutes. And if I complete, I will find more and more. So for example, let's see keywords after. For example, coloring book animals, 20,000. This is a lot of competition. So let's dig in. For example, swear word coloring book animals. Yeah, 731, 34, sorry. But is the ranking good or no? Maybe low competition, but also there is no high demand on this niche. So let's see. 3,000, very good. 36, 52. This is a very good ranking. 55, and look at the cover. It has swear words. Yeah, and they are buying very well. 3,000 is very good. So 3,000, that means 900 sales every month. So probably if it's 12, so maybe the profit $4 for each book, so maybe 4,000 he's making every month. I will say that, maybe more, maybe less. But yeah, look how easy I found many niches that has less than 1,000 results and more than 3 books that have less than 300,000 ranking PCR. So yeah, and if I complete, I can find more and more. So this tool is very useful, this tool, AMZ Suggestion Expander, and it's free. There is a pro version, but the free is enough. So yeah, guys, invest this tool because it's free and can find for you many niches. So yeah,